Hello, little learners. It's Halloween time. Full of pumpkins, costumes, and lots of fun. Today, we're going to learn Halloween words. Discover amazing pumpkin facts. And explore fun traditions. Ready? Let's go. Let's explore fun Halloween words. Pumpkin.
Big, round, and orange. Used for decoration and food. Jack-o'-lantern. A carved pumpkin with a glowing face.
Costume.
Clothes we wear to look like someone else for Halloween.
Candy.
Sweet treats kids collect while trick-or-treating.
Witch.
A character with a pointy hat who flies on a broomstick.
Bat.
A small flying animal we often see in Halloween decorations.
Ghost.
A spooky, floaty character, but in cartoons they can be funny.
Spider.
A little creature with 8 legs. People decorate with spider webs on Halloween.
Monster.
Not always scary. Milo is a monster, but he's cute and friendly.
Now, let's enjoy some pumpkin facts.
Pumpkins are a type of fruit, not a vegetable. Pumpkins grow on vines close to the ground. The biggest pumpkin ever grown weighed over 2,700 pounds. Pumpkins come in many colors: orange, white, yellow, even blue. Pumpkin flowers are edible. You can eat them. Every part of the pumpkin is useful: the skin, seeds, and even the stem. Pumpkin seeds are healthy. You can roast them for a snack. Pumpkins are native to North America. In the old days, people carved turnips instead of pumpkins for lanterns. Pumpkins are used in yummy foods: pumpkin pie, pumpkin soup, pumpkin bread, and pumpkin spice drinks.
Now, let's see some Halloween traditions. Trick-or-treating.
Children dress up and collect candy door to door.
Costume parades.
Kids and families march in fun Halloween parades.
Pumpkin carving.
Families carve pumpkins into jack-o'-lanterns. With games, dancing, and spooky-themed snacks.
Decorating houses.
With spider webs, ghosts, bats, and glowing lanterns.
Wow! We learned new Halloween words. Amazing pumpkin facts. And fun traditions.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning adventures. Happy Halloween!